Hey everybody, I hope everybody's doing fine. We're gonna start out with artichokes. These are small artichokes. They have to grow and then I have to chop them down and then let them grow next year. But like they're doing pretty good right now. And here we have cucumber. It's a beautiful plant. Almost half as tall as I am. Beautiful tomatoes. It's just starting. And a kohlrabi. It's getting even larger. Look at that. It's really nice. So we're gonna do the garlic. Garlic has to have this kind of hard to grow sometimes because you have to have a certain type of soil. But my soil balances and stuff like that, it makes it grow pretty good. You know, helps pretty good. So we got tomatoes here again. Tomatoes. Beautiful plants. Some more. And here we have beans. These beans here, they're already producing. I got to harvest now. These beans right here are exactly 1 week younger than these beans. Look at the difference. I treated these beans here with my special products here and fertilizers, and they're doing wonderful. Harvest today. Great. Beautiful. So, it's my bamboo. It's new. I just planted it. Planted 2 as a matter of fact. This is my beets. They're getting along pretty well. I planted them kind of late, but they're still doing their thing pretty good. This is this raspberry tree. I don't know if I made a video of it last time, but it was in terrible shape when I bought it about 3 weeks ago. So this is the way it looks now after I treated it. Lemon plant, I gotta start doing something to make it bloom because it's about 3 years old now. Hasn't done anything. And then we go again. We have cucumbers again. And we have blueberries. These blueberries looking nice. They're getting ripe. Yeah. So we're gonna come over here. This is my base of my basilicum, and it is doing wonderful. It just started growing about a week ago. And here is my parsley. It's just starting to come up. I had to destroy the other ones because they just started dying. But anyway, that's what it looks. I'll give you guys an update a couple weeks or so. Y'all be good. Ciao. So these are my potatoes. Right? These are my taters. And they were planted at the beginning of April this year. They look nice. They're beautiful. These are my maters. These are tomatoes, better known as maters. right? They were also planted April this year. You know what I'm saying? They look beautiful. They're blooming already. And this up here, these are my beets. Gorgeous. They really look beautiful. Alright. Oops. Got a few more herbs here. This timian here, it's called better known as thyme. I mean making FPJs and stuff like this. Now these are my sweet taters. These are my potatoes, sweet potatoes. They got off on a bad start, but they're looking much better right now. And this is my ginkgo biloba. This is some good stuff here. Good herbs for the brain, especially if you're getting old. Alright. And up here, I just have my beans. I just planted them a couple of days ago. They're looking great. Really great. I specialize in growing plants in small containers and have more than one or two special formulas that I use. From using FPJs, which is fermented plant juice, and fruits. They look great.